Hello everybody, this is Gabriela with WTI. I'm a big fan of chocolate peanut butter, everything, and even more if it's something healthy and packed with protein and it tastes like dessert. So that's why I love this Quest protein bars, that these come in a box of 12 bars, and these are 20 grams of protein and 5 net carbs and only 1 gram of sugar. Definitely the perfect smash between chocolate and peanut butter. Just look at those chunks. It's filled with them. So these are a great option if you're looking for a healthy protein-packed snack. This one is the one to go. I will really recommend this, and that's my point of view.